to Dolphin Friends. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of whales and dolphins. Here at Ocean Adventure, we have 10 individuals of 4 different species. As you've seen already, these dolphins are quick, agile, strong, and graceful. Let's introduce them one at a time. First up, a male ball-nosed dolphin, and his name is Enzo. Jumping up next, a female ball-nosed dolphin, and her name is Kira. Last but not the least, our heaviest female, and her name is Haley. And our trainers for today, our trainers Reggie, Jay, Effie, and JJ. And you'll get to meet the rest of the dolphins in just a short while. Our friends are ball-nosed dolphins, also known as tertium stroke eagles. They are very friendly animals, and right now, they'd like to welcome you with their nice wave hello. Wave back, guys! They'll surely love that. Whales and dolphins are not fish, are they? That's right, they are warm-blooded, air-breathing mammals just like you and I. But how can we tell? Well, first, it's their tail flukes. That's the main motor that powers themselves through the water. And those tail flukes moves up, and down, and not side to side like a fish does. Show them how it works, guys. Very nice. Now we all know that dolphins breathe air. But how do you think they do it? Well, they use their blowholes on top of their head. Listen. Hear those deep breaths? That blowhole is conveniently located so they don't need to lift their heads out of the water to breathe. It has a special lid on it that opens and closes so the water gets inside. They also use the blowhole to talk, making a variety of sounds including clicks, squeaks, squawks, and also whistles. Check this one out. What a lovely song from the sea! Did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistle? Much like their names, that is different from anyone else's. Amazing, isn't it? Well, let's talk about their fins. See those 2 fins sticking on either side of their body? That's what we call the pectoral fins. That's what they use to steer themselves through the water. Moving on to their back. That's what we call the dorsal fin. That's what they use to stabilize themselves in the water, much like a keel on a boat. Since we've talked about those body features, why don't we put them into action by demonstrating some of the dolphins' natural behavior? First up, that was a false start. Let's try that one more time. Now Haley's gonna demonstrate the behavior called the breach. Now dolphins use that behavior when they want to scratch their skin on the surface of the water. Jumping up next, Kira and Enzo is gonna demonstrate the behavior called the high bow. Now dolphins use that behavior when they want to look around. Now why do you think we humans design and build our ships and airplanes after a dolphin's body? Because they are streamlined and built for speed. Did you know that these dolphins can dive up to 1,000 feet, hold their breaths for up to 15 minutes, and swim as fast as 77 kilometers per hour?